Vice President Kosano Chiwenga on Wednesday boycotted a high-level ZANU-PF political strategic seminar in a move party insiders say was deliberate and politically significant, coming just days after cabinet endorsed controversial constitutional amendments linked to ED 2030 agenda. Sadabina mashoko branyo kupangwa na chinzi VP Chiwenga's absence sparks ZANU-PF tension. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnamu branyo kwa mchinzi. Instead of attending the closed-door meeting with fellow Politburo members, Chiwenga traveled to a funeral for a former Zebra liberation fighter. His absence from a key party platform at such a sensitive political moment has fueled speculation about deepening unease within the ruling party's top ranks. A ZANU-PF official, speaking on condition of anonymity, said the vice president's decision was not by default. In quotes, he made a conscious choice. The choice, the source said, given the current climate in the party, such decisions carry meaning. There are unresolved issues, especially around the constitutional amendments and succession dynamics. The seminar proceeded under the shadow of Cabinet's recent approval of proposed constitutional changes that would extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term from 2028 to 2030 and alter provisions relating to election of the president. The proposals have triggered intense debate in the political and legal circles, with critics arguing they would significantly reshape Zimbabwe's constitutional architecture. Within ZANU-PF, however, the amendments are widely viewed through the prism of succession politics. ZANU-PF has long been defined by internal power struggles masked by outward displays of unity. Under the late former President Robert Mugabe, factional battles between the so-called Lacoste faction aligned with Mnangagwa and the Generation 40 G40 group reached boiling point in 2017. The struggle culminated in the military-assisted transition of November 2017, which propelled Mnangagwa to power after Mugabe's removal. Chiwenga, then commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, played a central role in the intervention and later entered government as vice president. Neither Mnangagwa nor Chiwenga has publicly addressed the reported tensions. Efforts to obtain comment from Vice President Kosano Chiwenga were unsuccessful. However, his absence from a key strategic meeting at a moment of constitutional controversy has intensified speculation about factional undercurrents within ZANU-PF, a party whose history shows that succession battles rarely unfold in the open. As the ruling party charts its course amid ED 2030 push, questions mounting over cohesion at the top and the future balance of power in Zimbabwe's governing elite. Do mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe, Chiwenga pangwa ino achiboycota aiwa this high level seminar. Pina comment section medu zafungura aim to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.